Today, we dissected the heart and we were able to identify the different parts in the structure of the heart together. We started with seeing the right side of the heart in which the blood starts entering from. We saw the right atrium and the right ventricle, and we also saw the valves in between them. We then saw the left side of the heart, which blood moves to next. We also saw the aorta, and we also saw the septum, which separates the right and the left side of the heart. We also learned that the right side of the heart has a thinner muscle wall than the left side of the heart. We also learned about the coronary arteries, which feed the heart muscle.